Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel techdev98. So today in this video I'll show you a really quick and easy way to cite and reference articles as well as websites. So this is really helpful for university students. So now let's get into it. And here on Google I just need to type CiteThisForMe Chrome Extension and I'll just click on the first link, and now I can just add it to Chrome or whichever browser you are using. However, this does not work for Safari. And so here, for example, here I'm having a news article which is by BBC, and here is the extension. So if I just want to cite it, I'll just click on it, and as you can see it can generate APA, Chicago, Harvard and MLA. So you can just copy it and just paste it. And the next trick is via Google Scholar. So for example, here if I type Google Scholar, and yes, so for example, I want to search for some articles on social media marketing, and as you can see, here is one. So let's just do it since 2022. And yes, a meta-analysis exam. This is the latest article, and here, as we can see here, there's a cite option. So here, through this, here also I can cite Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, APA, and MLA. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel techdev98 for more educational tips. Thank you.